Homicides detectives from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations are still pursuing 4 suspects believed to be outsourced from Nakuru County in connection to Tob Cohen's murder. According to the Directorate of Criminal Investigation, the Dutchman was murdered gruesomely by a number of suspects who are still at large.
And we are going to arrest more. Okay. Anybody who was involved in this, gruesome murder, all of them, I can assure you, we shall not leave a single one, but there are more who are involved, not only.
The body, which was recovered in a septic tank at his Kitusuru home, is currently lying at City Mortuary, and interested parties have been asked to be on standby for post-mortem set to be conducted on Monday. Cohen's wife, Sarah Wairimu, the main suspect in the murder, is being held at Langata Women Prison, and her lawyer, Philip Murgor, says she'll appoint an independent pathologist to be present during the autopsy. Murgor has urged the DCI not to rush the investigation and observe the law by duly notifying his client of the date and time.
I said to Mr. Otieno, how do you proceed without us? How do you proceed without Sarah? He said, but we are going there. What for?
We don't move with the defense wherever we go, investigating. We go on dragging them or wherever we are going. We have no obligation of charge guide. We don't. We meet them in the court. Yes, that way we dispense our case.
Meanwhile, the defense team of the second suspect, Peter Karanja, who has been in police custody since Friday, has come out to publicly defend him.
Our client learned with sadness the demise of Tob Cohen, who, together with his wife, he enjoyed a business relationship as they used to engage him as a consultant in many business issues of their companies. He is purely a victim of circumstances and deserves to be treated as such. We expect that by this time the ODPP will have made a decision on whether or not to prefer any charges against our client, as they have had sufficient time, notwithstanding illegally detaining our client without a court order.
If the post-mortem is conducted on Monday, then Cohen will probably be buried on Tuesday. The businessman allegedly expressed his wish to be buried 36 hours after his death.
So when you put all these things together, you come a situation whereby murder most full, as they normally put it. Love is love, but the divorce is murder. This is what has happened to Cohen.
For Channel 1 News, I'm Gladys Mungai.